Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites: clean bed, working timer, and properly fitting protective eyewear. Next, remove jewelry and damp clothing, then place a towel where you will lie to protect skin and the equipment. Apply the recommended product, sunscreen or tanning lotion, only if the Sunbed instructions allow. This affects exposure and results. Once these checks are done, position yourself on the bed head to toe, align your body with the unit's lamps, and ensure the timer is set to your planned session length. You now focus on positioning and monitoring. Set a small pillow or head support so your neck stays neutral, and place your arms to prevent shadowing over the torso. Start the timer and stay aware during the first 2 to 3 minutes, because early overheating or skin sensitivity will tell you if you should stop. Make sure the fan and vents are on. Good airflow reduces hot spots. If you detect uneven tanning, subtly adjust your posture mid-session to expose previously shaded areas more evenly. You finish by turning the Sunbed off and opening the canopy, then sit up slowly to prevent dizziness. Step out and cool down for 5 to 10 minutes before moisturizing well and drinking water to rehydrate skin and body. This helps lock in an even tan and reduces irritation. If you notice redness, burning, or lightheadedness, move to shade, apply cool compresses, and avoid additional exposure until fully healed. Make sure to reduce future session time or consult staff if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.